viewers, BSF has foiled a cross-border smuggling attempt, apprehending one smuggler with 2.193 kilograms of heroin on the Gurdaspur border in Punjab. One smuggler held with drugs in Punjab's Gurdaspur, attempting to smuggle heroin across the border. You also are looking at the visuals of the smuggler who has been arrested. My colleague Lalit joins us for more. Lalit, tell us more details about this smuggling attempt that has been foiled by the BSF.
Well, the vigilant BSF now have foiled a narcotics smuggler in the Gurdaspur area yesterday on the evening of 1st December. And when the vigilant BSF ambushed and searched, they could find one smuggler in the Mashallah area of the Gurdaspur, and from that smuggler roughly more than 2 kgs of heroin has been caught from that smuggler. So the vigilant BSF with the help of intelligence inputs and with the ambush have found this very big racket which was trying to smuggle around 2.193 kgs of heroin. So somehow the BSF have caught this smuggler carrying roughly around 2.193 kg of heroin in the Gurdaspur area yesterday evening. Back to the studio.
Lalit for joining us with those details coming in on that story. So, a smuggling attempt foiled by the BSF at the Gurdaspur border in Punjab. We'll get you more details. And now we shift our focus to Bangladesh. Dozens of ISKCON members who possessed valid travel documents, viewers, were turned back by Bangladesh's immigration police from the Benapole border crossing when they tried to enter India. The 54 members of ISKCON, including devotees from various districts in Bangladesh, arrived at the checkpost on Saturday night and Sunday morning. But even after waiting for hours for permission, they were not allowed to do so. They were informed that their travel was not authorized. Local media reports that the Bangladesh police did not allow them to proceed, citing suspicious travel.
सुकांता मजुमदार इस वक्त हमारे साथ मौजूद है। सुकांता जी, जिस तरह से बांग्लादेश में हिंदू सीयर्स को इंडिया नहीं आने दिया जा रहा है, वीजा होने के बावजूद ये एट्रोसिटीज बढ़ गई हैं।
देखिए, बांग्लादेश में हर रोज एट्रोसिटीज हो रही है, बहुत ही मतलब खराब स्थिति है। हम चाहते हैं कि बांग्लादेश इससे उभरे और हिंदू मॉन्ग के साथ, हिंदुओं के साथ जो एट्रोसिटीज हो रही है वो बंद होनी चाहिए।
बांग्लादेश में जिस तरह से कट्टरपंथी हावी है, हिंदुओं पे अत्याचार कर रहा है, उन्हें वैधानिक तरीके से आने की भी छूट नहीं दी जा रही है, संतों को बंद कर दिया गया है, उसका भी पता नहीं है। भारत सरकार ने कड़ी फटकार लगाई है, लेकिन दुनिया के लोगों को भी अब बांग्लादेश में हस्तक्षेप करना चाहिए।